Welcome back to Everything Startups with Zyfac, the podcast where we talk about the raw, unfiltered truth of building companies. Today's episode is going to sting a little. The title says it all: why your startup will die if no one knows about you. Because, let's face it doesn't matter how brilliant your product is, how innovative your solution is, or how much blood, sweat, and Red Bull you have poured into it. If the world doesn't know you exist, you are already dead in the water. That is the harsh truth. Think about it. How many great products have you seen vanish? Not because they were bad, but because they were invisible. The founder spent months perfecting code but never talked to customers. They raised money, but no one outside their investor updates knew about them. They built something game changing, but their target audience was still scrolling past cat videos and celebrity gossip. Startups don't just die from running out of money, they die from running out of attention. Here's the uncomfortable truth: mediocre products with great marketing often win, and great products with zero visibility, they collect dust. The US startup scene understands this. That's why founders pitch like their life depends on it, because it does. Meanwhile, in other parts of the world, founders still believe if I build it, people will magically come. But they won't. Let me give you an example. Do you remember Clubhouse, that app that had everyone hooked during the pandemic? It wasn't even fully polished when it blew up, but they nailed visibility. Invite only hype, celebrities dropping in rooms, media buzz everywhere. On the flip side, thousands of better audio platforms existed. They are all gone. Why? Because no one knew their name. So let me ask you this: what about your startup? Does anyone outside your team even know you exist? When people Google your industry, do they find you? Are you telling your story or just hoping someone will magically stumble upon it? If not, then honestly, you are already on life support. That's why visibility matters. And here's where I get real with you. This podcast exists to make startups visible. I know some of you listening have amazing products and services. If you want to make sure the world hears about them, not just your co founders, then this is your moment. Reach out, partner with me. Let me tell your story here, in front of an audience that actually cares about startups, innovation, and disruption. Because the truth is, if no one knows about you, your startup won't survive. But if the right people hear about you, everything changes. That's it for today's truth bomb on Everything Startups with Zyfac. If this episode made you uncomfortable, that's good. It means you are thinking about visibility. If you are building something amazing, don't keep it hidden. Get in touch. Let's make sure people know your name. Until next time, keep building, keep fighting, and above all, make sure the world sees you. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn, on X, on Instagram. Google my company name XIFAQ, and I would love to hear from you and to let the people out there in the world know that yes, one such startup exists. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.